buzzballs. And that's what I primarily came in here for. I found it, but a lot of them are in disarray, so I'm gonna get the one in the back. Alright. It's just such a long queue. Today is Thursday. This weekend I am organising a whole lot of things for my girls' trio, whatever you want to call it, sleepover. I went to the shops and bought some like tinsely curtain to hang on the door to make it look really special. I'm going to try and see if I can find a pink temporary like disposable tablecloth, and then I'm just going to look for other cute things to make it really, really special. So come with me to do that. Excuse the mess. It is Friday, the first day of the sleepover. I have a lot to do. I need to change my bed sheets. I need to clean this. I'll show you what it is in a minute. I need to clean this room, and then on top of that, today I'm going to a brunch with my cousins, so I need to get ready. It's only 9 o'clock, and on top of that, I have work. It's just, there's so much going on, so come with me to clean my room. This is the spare bed in my room, and this is my bed sheets that need to be changed. preparation for this little girls sleepover, I bought these cards for the two girls, and I'm gonna write cards just to show them how appreciative I am of them as my friends. One of them is a friend I've had for a very long time, and the other one is a relatively new friend. But yes, I'm gonna write these cards, and you are going to watch me write them. Yep. Oh my gosh, so much junk. I know, do you know what? I know this girl's gonna complain that she didn't get 2 hearts on her card. Well, it's a 10-year friendship versus 1.5, okay? Yeah, I still, to this day, value friendships that I've had for 10 plus years, unfortunately. So these are done, and I'll put them in the bag with the stuff for the friendship giving challenge. Yep. I have finally cleaned my room. I need to pop to the shops to get a few things, pick up a few things for the sleepover and stuff like that. So come with me to do that. I also have to dress up some of the stuff on the table because I have things to do during my lunch break. Yep, so I'm in the M&S and I have a bunch of things I need to get.